Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my Louis Vuitton collection. I'll be sharing everything from my perfumes to my wallets to a bandeau I own, a keychain, and of course, the main attraction, the Louis Vuitton bags. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. So let's begin with Symphony. Doesn't that just sound luxurious? Symphony. This is the most beautiful bottle. So I do have a designated video of this Symphony perfume, a full review and detail on the sculptor who created this beautiful perfume bottle top. It is stunning, and Symphony is definitely how I would describe the notes of this. I get so many compliments on this fragrance. The keynotes are grapefruit, ginger, bergamot. They're fresh, clean, fruity, and absolutely luxurious. And of course, the bottle is stunning. Huge fan of a Louis Vuitton fragrance. They all smell so good. It's so hard to make a decision when you're in the store. I did go into the boutique and smell this for myself and fell in love with it. Love it so much, no regrets. And I wear this quite frequently. So another fragrance I picked up from Louis Vuitton is ATTRAPE-RÊVES, and this means dream catcher. And it really is a dream, I have to say. It smells so good. So the notes on this fragrance: cocoa, peony, lychee, Turkish rose. Doesn't that sound divine? Turkish rose. It also has notes of ginger and bergamot, and I just feel like their perfumes are worth every penny. I love to go into the boutique and smell them in person, try them on. They're great about helping you with that. I must say Louis Vuitton boutiques are just really well staffed, and the staff is always so nice. Great about these bottles is if you love the fragrance, you don't have to pay full price again if you want to repurchase a fragrance. You can actually take the empty bottle into a boutique and make sure you call first, make sure they have a fragrance fountain. But if your boutique has a fragrance fountain, they will actually refill your empty bottle. So keep that in mind if you love their fragrances, but you don't love their price tags, and they will refill it for so much less. So something to keep in mind. Now, what I do love about the lids of this Symphony, or rather gorgeous sculpting topper, is you can interchange it with other bottles. So if you buy it because you love the fragrance of the Symphony, but you also have other Louis Vuitton fragrances, you can always put them on whichever bottle you're using at the time and put it on your dresser, and that way you can kind of just really get your money's worth out of that topper. These are my only two Louis Vuitton fragrances, and I love them to pieces. So next in my collection are my beautiful Clemence wallets. I have them in the Damier Azur print. I also have the Damier bean print and the monogram, and they are all just beautiful. I feel like these are the most reasonably priced of all Louis Vuitton wallets. It's a full-size wallet. I love a good full-size wallet. So I'll quickly show you the interior of the Damier Azur one, simply because you can probably see it better on camera. But they come with a beautiful zipper pull. And then inside, it has the most awesome card holders on this side. It also has a large slip pocket. And then it has another pocket, a lot more cards you can put your cards in, card holders here, another slip pocket. I mean, it's just really well thought out, and it has your coin purse right there in the middle. I absolutely love that it has the print inside as well. And then of course the gorgeous pink leather interior is stunning. And this says Louis Vuitton and made in Spain. and it is stunning. So huge fan of my Clemence wallet collection. I always use these wallets regardless of what bag I use, even if I'm not wearing a Louis Vuitton bag that day. More often than not, I'm going to grab one of these beautiful wallets and take them with me wherever I'm going that day. So next I have my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. This is in the GM size. It is huge. I love this bag. This was my very first bag by Louis Vuitton, and I've had it for maybe 4 years now. Every time I pull this out of its dust bag to use, I just catch myself staring at it. It's just as beautiful as the day I purchased it. Now, a tip for you guys, take your bags into the Louis Vuitton boutique if you live close enough to one that you can drive there, and have them clean your bags every year. I will take all my bags once a year and they will clean them. And they do such a good job conditioning the bags. I mean, they just look like new. And it's just like having a brand new Louis Vuitton bag, but it costs you nothing. Take advantage of their service. They are great. They have great customer service. And I just feel like when they condition your bag, they do such a good job and it looks beautiful when it's done. I'm a huge fan. I absolutely love my GM. I use this so much. Even after 4 years, I still reach for this bag, especially when I'm traveling, especially when I need a mom bag where I can throw everything but the kitchen sink in here. And this is the most enormous, beautiful bag. It does come with this really great pouch. Now, I'll use this pouch for all kinds of other bags I own. This is great. I use it for sometimes a little bit of a makeup pouch, sometimes a catch-all, but it is so nice to have, and I use this so much. Now, the Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM size is so big, but in the best possible way. I have zero regrets about getting the GM over any of the other sizes. Now, if you have a smaller bag and it works well for you, you do you, always. But for me personally, this bag was the perfect size for me. Day trips, mom bag status, like I need all the things, and this bag accommodates all the things. Now, if I get to the point where I'm like, this thing is enormous, and sometimes, you know, I'll be walking around and forget just how big this bag is, and I will, you know, accidentally pummel people with this giant bag. So a good thing to do is to cinch it in, and of course it does come with this great little clasp there to secure the bag, and it adds a little bit of security, and it also just kind of shrinks that bag. It's a great everyday bag, and that's what I use it for a lot. I use it for travel. I use it for day trips, and it's just good. So good. So next in my collection is my Louis Vuitton Alma. This is in the PM size, so it is a larger bag. Bowling bag design. It's so classy and chic and elegant. I just love everything about this bag. I feel like it is one of the bags I gravitate towards when I'm dressed up. So when I have like a business casual kind of look going on, if I'm going out on a date with my husband and I'm wearing slacks and a nice shirt with some heels, I'm gonna reach for this one. It is such a good bag. Now, I have worn this with jeans, t-shirts, sweaters. It's versatile. Don't get me wrong. It's not just a date night, just a dress up night kind of bag. No. I use my bags. I use my bags all the time. And I mean, this bag just makes any outfit look so fabulous. So it's just one large compartment. I did not purchase a strap. They do have them on their website. I ended up picking mine up from Amazon. It looks identical, and I paid $20 for this one. No regrets on that one either. Primarily because anytime I wear this bag, it's usually going to be crook of the arm bag. That's how I love to wear my bags. or top handle. And very seldom do I use this crossbody or on my shoulder, but it is nice to have just in case I need to rest my arm for a minute. I love having that option, but I don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to have that seldom used option. $20 for an occasional use, well worth it. I'm fine with that. So inside there are 2 slip pockets, but other than that, it's just one large compartment. I love how well they thought this through. They do have this extra piece of material on the side just to make sure when you unzip it all the way, nothing's gonna fall out of the side. So well designed, great quality, and absolutely classy, chic, stunning. Alma PM, huge fan. So next in my Louis Vuitton collection is this stunning Speedy B 25. This is in the Demier Ebene. This does not have the vachetta leather. This is treated, coated, and it is stunning. I love this bag so much. It is the most beautiful and shiny. Again, I did take this with all my bags in recently and had them condition the bags. They do a great job. So I did go ahead and pay more for the bandolier version. Basically, that just means you get the leather stripes on the side with the shoulder strap. And I have used this quite a bit for crossbody, believe it or not. Now, I would not have thought that. I am very much a top handle, crook of the arm kind of girl, but I have wanted to wear this everywhere, including going to the zoo with my family or the llama farm or the amusement parks. And not too long ago, we went to Hershey World, and I have wanted to carry this bag. It is so beautiful. It is so comfortable. And when I first bought this bag, I was so afraid about the reviews that said, you can't get in the bag. It's so hard to get in this bag. It is not hard to get in this bag. I can easily get my stuff. I do not struggle with the zipper. I do not struggle with the opening. And I'll change out into another bag for a little bit and I come right back to it. It's so good, you guys. Also pick up the Louis Vuitton keychain on their website. I just thought it added a little bit of pizzazz to the bag. I really love it. And I really love the Louis Vuitton Speedy B 25. I really also enjoy the treated handles. The vachetta leather is so pretty, but it's definitely something you have to be careful with so you don't stain it. And so it vachettas evenly. The Demier Ebene, you just don't have to worry about that. And I appreciate that. I love that. So this one you don't have to be as careful with. You don't have to worry about being caught out in the rain with this. And I know this will always be in my collection. All right, so if you watched my What I Got for Christmas video, I also got this really pretty bandeau from the Louis Vuitton website. I just thought this was so beautiful. I did want to get a pattern that was super neutral so that I could use it not only for this bag to go with the Demier Ebene, but I also wanted to be able to use this gorgeous bandeau for PM because I feel like this would look so stunning. It was just another item that I recently added to my collection for Christmas. I love it so much and I can't wait to figure out how I'm going to attach this to one, if not all of my bags at some point. Next, I have another Speedy B 25. 25 is the best size for me. I feel like it's not too big, but it's not too small. This is the Demier Azur in the nautical print. This was a limited edition print. I do feel like they still have this gorgeous nautical print available on their website. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. But it is so pretty. I love the gold chain. I love the pink in here. And the vachetta leather is so pretty. I know you have to be a little more careful and particular, but oh, it's so gorgeous, you guys. So I do want to take this into the boutique at some point and have them monogram my initials on here. I am not getting rid of this, so This is my spring summer bag. Again, I have used this so much this spring and summer, and I love this size. And it does have the most beautiful interior lining as well. And of course I have a organizer, not only to keep the shape of the bag until I use it again this spring, but also to kind of protect it, because I sure want to keep that beautiful lining nice and clean. I don't know if my camera will focus. It does say 25 right there. And like I said, I feel like 25 is the perfect size for me. I love that you can wear it this way, and it's cream. So it will go with any of your colors you want to wear during the summertime. If you have a more subtle outfit, if you have a more neutral or outfit, this pop of pink is just going to add so much to your outfit. So I love the flexibility, and it is so pretty. I don't have enormously large Louis Vuitton collection, but each one of these 4 bags I own, 3 wallets and 2 perfumes, as well as a keychain and a bandeau are very well loved. Their quality is stellar, and I absolutely feel like I do get my money's worth out of these bags. Classic, elegant, chic bags, and I'll be able to use them forever. That is my Louis Vuitton collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like button, and I'd love it so much if you'd go ahead and subscribe to my channel so I can see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.